Finally, I have completed my 48 days mandala of Sambhavi Mahamudra Kriya. On 1st January 2026, I decided to change my lifestyle and I chose 48 days mandala of Sambhavi Mahamudra Kriya to be the starting point or turning point of my life. It's been 4 years since I got initiated into Sambhavi. Since then, this is the first time I'm feeling like I'm not getting back from here. I was very inconsistent with my practices, but this time I'm serious about them. So in this video, I'm going to share what is mandala, what problems I faced during these 48 days, what are the benefits that I observed, and a message to all of those who are initiated into some kind of yogic practices. So without any delay, let's move on to the video. In yogic tradition, a mandala means a cycle of 40 to 48 days. Why 40 to 48 days? Because traditionally it is said that the human system completes one energetic cycle in 40 to 48 days. And if you do your practices continuously for a mandala, then it begins to rewrite your internal pattern. So if you do your practices for 40 to 48 days without any break, then something shifts from effort to natural rhythm. Actually, I faced a very few obstacles during these 48 days. Some days I felt lazy, some days I slept in the evening, and there was a little bit of resistance within me. And one week I got really sick due to the weather change, and I felt like my head was spinning. But thanks to His grace, everything went smoothly. Even though I was very sick, it was not affecting me internally. I was very balanced and determined to complete my mandala. Now, the part you are most interested in. What are the benefits I got during these 48 days of doing Sambhavi twice a day, every single day, without even a break? The first benefit I observed is in the preparatory asana, there is an asana named cat stretch in which we have to touch our knees on our forehead. Initially, it was very tough for me to touch my knee on my forehead, but then after few days of practice, I was easily able to do it. Second benefit I observed is the preparatory asana are really good. Before doing Sambhavi, whenever I had a gastric problem, I just needed to do preparatory asana and the problem was gone. Third is I became very alert and attentive. It felt like a veil has been lifted from my eyes. Now, whatever happened, I am there most of the time. Fourth one is this was the biggest change or benefit I saw within me. After doing my mandala for a month, I felt very stable in my emotions. I was very much aware of the situation around me and was not reacting that much to the outside situations. Fifth benefit is my breath has become deeper. Now my breath isn't shallow anymore. Deep breath gives me a real sense of calmness and stability within me. Sixth one is initially I had problem with the locks, but now I can engage and release the locks properly. And the last one is my communication skill improved a lot. I was very shy person when it comes to talking to someone else. Maybe this was because I think too much about what I say and how the person in front of me will react. But this thing is not that much in me anymore. Now I am more open to the people around me. I know what I missed during these 4 years, and I don't want anyone to miss what I missed. So, if you are initiated into any kind of yogic practices, then my suggestion is don't skip your practices, and if you can, start your mandala too. It will give you the key of your emotions in your own hand. So this was my overall experience of 48 days mandala of Sambhavi Mahamudra Kriya. If you want to hear more about ISA practices or about my experience of ISA meditation practices, then make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss the next experience or review video on ISA meditation practices. So that's it in this video. See you in the next one.